When you set up out-of-range service alerts, the system sends you a text message or an email telling you that the tech has recorded water chemistry or filter pressure readings that are outside the normal operating range. To set them up, all you have to do is go up to Preferences and click High-Low Service Alert Settings. Now, the first thing on this page you'll do is to select how you want to be notified. You can be notified by email, text, or by both text and email. And then you simply set your low limit and your high limit. You can also check this box that says alert when PSI increases by 10 since previous service, and the system will send you an alert message when the pressure reading that is entered by the tech increases by at least 10 PSI over the reading that was last recorded. Once you've got all your settings input, you simply click the submit button, and now the system has those readings and will monitor the results that your techs enter. Now, because an alert message is telling you that there is something wrong, you should really check them daily. So how do you check your readings? You go up to Task Manager and you select Manage Service Alerts. If you have alerts, you'll get a list, such as this. Two things to notice: the status. When the alert is first displayed, it is displayed with a status of open. The next thing you should look at is the alert message itself. Now, if the alert message lets you know that this is not something that needs any further action, you can actually close it. To close an alert, you simply click on the alert and scroll down until you see status. Change the status to either fixed and closed or closed, not fixed, depending on the circumstances. And then once you've selected the correct option, you click the submit button and it closes out that particular alert. I don't want to do that here, so I'll just go back to my list. Now, if the alert needs to be followed up by scheduling a diagnostic follow-up visit, you have two different options for doing that. If you need to schedule the visit for a specific time, then this is how you do it. You click on the alert and it brings up the details of the particular alert, and then you click Schedule Follow-Up Visit. Then all you have to do is select the date. For example, let's say we're going to do this on Monday, and the tech who's going to do the work. So this Dave is going to do the work. He's going to do it on Monday, and I want him to start at 8 o'clock, and I'll give him until like 8:30 to check this thing out. And then all you have to do next is click the submit button, and that follow-up visit is now scheduled. If I go to my scheduled service request, you will see that that visit, diagnostic follow-up visit, is now scheduled. Now, when I go back to my service alerts, you will also notice that that alert is now in green, and the status has been changed to working on it. Someone is out there, it's on their route, and they're going to do a follow-up visit. So that's one way to schedule an alert. Now, if you have a tech whose job it is to follow up on these alerts, and you don't care what time of day he does them, you just want to get it on his schedule as soon as possible, and he can do them whenever, then you can do it from right here. So you select the tech who's going to do the work, select the date, let's say he's going to do this on the 15th, and then you simply click the boxes for the alerts that you want to schedule to him, and click the schedule follow-ups. And I get my message that says the 2 tasks have been scheduled. Now, when I go and I look at my scheduled service requests, you'll see that 2 more diagnostic follow-up jobs have been scheduled. Those are the ones that I did. And when I go back to my scheduled service requests, my manage service alerts, you'll see that all 3 are now scheduled and the status has been changed to working on it. So that's how you manage your service alerts. Now the techs will follow through. If more work is needed, for example, if a repair job needs to be done, the tech will send in a service request to the office, and then a work order can be assigned, and then the work can get done. But that's how you manage your service alerts.